Hey guys, Brad Secundy, TeamSecundy RE Properties, my partner.
Temp Krieger.
Hey, we are TeamSecundy at RE Properties, local realtor in Colorado Springs and the surrounding area. Don't forget guys, we handle Fountain, Monument, Woodland Park. We'll go as far as Denver. If you need a nice house in Denver, we have sold a couple there already. So guys, welcome to this new listing. Temp, take it away.
Welcome to 6250 Waterfall Loop, guys. This is a little over 2,800 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, newly renovated from bottom to top and from top to bottom back again. Not only do you have this gorgeous pond right out front behind us, but you have views of Colorado Springs directly to the east, mountains surrounding. You have aspens, Douglas fir, blue spruce, ponderosa pines, wildlife throughout this entire gorgeous nature sanctuary of a community, Crystal Park.
Hey guys, don't forget, concrete all the way to the dirt road, 2-car underground parking right there, 2-car garage, nice and clean.
Not only that, this home is spring fed, guys. As you notice by the pond behind me, fills right into the cistern and the full water filtration system. You have this babbling brook literally right in front of us that is flowing year round.
And guys, we gotta re-emphasize decks, decks, and more decks, and views, views, views. Guys, come take a peek at this house. It's absolutely amazing. Hey guys, as you walk in, you'll see this lovely hand-blown glass chandelier.
It's one of the many amenities you're going to notice as you walk through the front door, right into this beautiful recent addition of 300 plus square feet onto the main level, bringing you into this fantastic kitchen with Artisan Granite, craftsman cabinets, double oven, and all of the amenities you would expect for a true delightful home up here in the mountains. Moving right into the bedrooms, guys, we have 3 recently renovated, 2 brand new renovated bathrooms. You have 2 master suites. There are 4 decks on this home. The home sits with a waterfall just behind it, looking to the east. It sits with its own private trout pond out to the west. You have views all around you, 360 degrees, and surrounded by some of the most beautiful trees. Not only do you have that, you have a nice fenced-in dog area patio on the backyard, great seating areas on 2 or 3 areas throughout the home, and the pond features its own dock and entertainment area. In these recently remodeled bathrooms, they feature granite countertops, brand new cabinets, undermount sinks, tile floors. No less in the bathroom, tile from floor to ceiling in the recently remodeled 3-quarter bath. Not only that, all of the popcorn has been removed from the ceilings within the last 30 days, hand troweled finish on the texture, and fresh coat of paint just to add that finishing touch.
Also, this amazing marble, live edge, talking, very centered, dining room, just great conversation piece, just amazing to sit here, have dinner with friends and family.
These brand new laminate floors that are hand floated also feature electric radiant floors throughout the main level. The master bathroom on the main level here features a steam room and steam sauna shower. The master bathroom on the main floor here features not only a steam shower and steam sauna, but radiant floors so that when you hop out of that shower, your feet aren't so cold. Garage opens up to a fully finished basement with access out to the backyard patio. The upstairs of this home is a full master suite featuring a wood-burning stove, full walk-in master closet, a large 24 by 36 deck, and seating area outside of the master bedroom.
Guys, this master suite, you have to go out on this deck. It is absolutely amazing. The views of the city, nighttime, daytime, it's just absolutely amazing. You might even see some wildlife while you're up here.
Do you see what I'm talking about?
Wow, look at this view. Not only do you have Sunrise Peak right here, but it gets its name because you will literally be the first to see that sunrise every single day with this view of downtown Colorado Springs all the way out to Kansas. Not only that, you can see the beautiful neighborhood on both sides. You see the type of topography and the foliage we have. This community is a gated community with a manned gatehouse. We have a heated pool, 92 to 94 degrees, Memorial Day through Labor Day. There's also a stock trout pond for the community to use on top of your very own stock trout pond. Full snow removal is covered all the way up to your driveway by the park, and every road is maintained literally on a daily basis. Hey guys, if you have any other questions about this absolutely gorgeous home here in Crystal Park, feel free, give me, Temp Krieger, a call directly. If you don't reach me, call Brad. I not only live in the neighborhood, I serve on the board of directors. I volunteered for the fire department a few years ago. I love this community, I know all about it, and can't wait to share it with you.
Thank you, guys. Pleasure.
Take care, we'll talk to you soon.